we're gonna watch the fireworks tonight, and we're now here in Nicole Highway MRT Exit B. Like, it's full packed, by the way. So this is our front view, and the National Stadium is over there. Over there, yeah. Oh, look at this. Wow. Awesome. Like, they're having NDP previews in National Stadium, but here we are, just watching over the river. Fireworks might start in 30 minutes or so. I'm with my husband. Super cooling dito sa area na napili namin. And this is the first time ever we're gonna watch the fireworks because I'm always occupied every weekend. And now we've got the chance. What could you say? Are you excited to see the fireworks?
Yes, I'm so excited.
What do you foresee, or what do you think of the fireworks of Singapore? Given that you've already watched the New Year, right? We've encountered it like 2 times in a row.
But now it's different because it's National Day.